Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by choosing semantics. Are you navigating to a URL or performing an action? Once decided, create an element. If navigation, write a href equals/target and give it a class for styling. If you must use a button for navigation, nest an anchor visually or handle click to change location. Make sure accessibility is considered. Use role equals button and tab index where needed. Save and open the page to confirm the element appears and is selectable with keyboard. Now implement the interaction. If you used an anchor, ensure href points to the destination and optionally set target equals blank and rel equals nupener. This preserves security. If you used a button, attach a click handler that sets window, location, or uses history. Push state for single-page apps. Once done, add keyboard handling. Space/enter should activate navigation on custom elements. Make sure you provide area labels and visible focus outlines so keyboard and assistive tech users can follow the flow. Finish by testing across scenarios. You should tab to the element and activate it with enter or space. If it fails, revisit event handlers or role attributes. Test touch devices to confirm tap behavior matches click and verify target URLs open correctly. Once everything works, optimize styles and ensure focus states are clear. If something goes wrong, inspect the console for JavaScript errors, confirm you didn't leave href equals hash accidentally, and check that event. Prevent default hasn't blocked navigation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.